Over to Rahul.
Good morning, BNI.
Good
So,
morning.
how is the morning today? Everyone is ready to hear the education slot today.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Wonderful. Next slide. So, today I want to talk to you something about visibility. So, do you think visibility is important for all of us? Yes or no on the chat box? Do you think visibility is important? Yes, capital yes. And do you think visibility is important no matter how big you are? Yes or no? No matter how big you are, you still need more and more visibility, right? That is how the Cokes and the Pepsis also do it, right? Okay, so I am here today to talk to you about three simple ways, very simple ways on how you can increase your visibility in our chapter. Okay, so everyone is excited to hear about this? Type 3 on the chat box. Okay, next slide. First and foremost is an effective 30 seconds. Okay, so BNI gives us 30 seconds each every week to explain about our business, right? Now, sometimes we feel that we should talk everything about our business in this 30 seconds. But trust me, guys, if you speak about one single thing in every 30 seconds, you get 52 weeks to talk about 52 different things that you do in your business. And being specific is terrific because if you are talking about one specific thing, the members who are listening to you will focus on that particular thing and it is more likely to generate a referral for you, right? You should have your video on, have a specific ask, and try to have a different LCD every week. Okay. So this is a very important way how you can, create a good visibility for yourself. Now, one fun question on this. It's open to all on the chat box. Whose 30 seconds do you remember? Type the name of the member whose 30 seconds you remember right at the first instance. Okay, so Jay Ghoshal has a good visibility. Sharad Mohta, right? Vikrant, Kaushal, Nirmal, Rashmi, Jay. Cool. So, my friends, just look at this. What is happening is that the people who are taking their 30 seconds very seriously are having their visibility, right? So this is how you need to create that memory with each and every member that you are their first recall. You are at their first recall. Okay, good. Everyone's got that? Type 1. Next, a very important tool and a great way to have a great visibility is organize a GMV at your office. Okay, your office or your workshop. This is, I think, the most effective and the greatest way apart from 30 seconds where you can generate great visibility for you. Why is it important? Because members see your business, right? You can show off your business. You can show off what a large factory you have. You can show the processes that you are doing. You can show the product quality. You can show whatever you want. And those members who are coming to your office, they will give you instant referrals also, right? So this is the most effective way of having a great visibility. So do you agree to me? Type yes or no. Now the fun question on this. Whose GMV do you remember going to? Whose GMV do you remember going to? Okay, that was the latest one that we went to, but okay. And here is one important tip for whoever is organizing. Try to make your GMV stand out from the other GMVs. do something creative and do something very different so that people remember your GP. Okay, that is how you will have your first recall. Next, third, utilize WhatsApp. Okay, so WhatsApp status is a very important, very great way of having visibility for yourself within the chapter and within your contact sphere. Now, just remember, I am not talking about making WhatsApp groups or WhatsApp broadcast lists. Broadcast list is something very sacred and it should not be utilized for promoting your business, because the person who is getting it is thinking that you have sent him something personal. Instead, try using the WhatsApp status, where if people are looking at the WhatsApp status and they have that free time, they are getting to look at your business and post effectively on the BNI business group. That will effectively give you a great visibility. So always remember, these are very, very simple techniques, but very effective to give you a good visibility within the chapter. The fun question on this: who do you think has a great WhatsApp visibility or has made an impact through his WhatsApp status messages or anyways? Anyone? Jignesh, yes. Vikash, Pooja, Jiggi. So I think Jignesh is the most popular with this. Next. Okay. 30 seconds. Anyone has a great idea on how to create visibility apart from the three topics, the three things that I told? Only 10 seconds, please, immediately. Anyone has anything to say on this? To add? Okay, you can take a position in the extended LT, take up a role in the chapter. Wonderful.
News to the BNI also.
Facebook, okay. Right. Take an education slot. Yes, Namit. Okay, next. Thank you very much. This is Rahul Agarwal signing off. Over to Vikas.
Thank you, Rahul. That was useful as well as interesting. I am pleased to announce that the following members has renewed their membership in BNI. Arav Kumar Shah, a one-year member. We place our gratitude and thanks for your leadership and contribution. It may be noted that renewals are not automatic and are subject to approval by the membership committee. Now I would request Madhav Gyani to share his views why he has renewed his membership in BNI Lords.
Good morning, Lodge. First of all, I'd like to thank the LT for accepting my renewal application. And three reasons why I have renewed my membership are for the business that BNI brings to the organization. Second, for the discipline that it instills in our lives, that is to wake up every Tuesday at 7:30 in the morning, attend a meeting, give referrals, and all those other things. And the third thing is that the learnings that BNI brings with, whether it's through trainings or listening to the different members in a chapter. And I would personally like to meet all of y'all in physically. So I'm hoping that happens too. So that was another reason why I renewed my membership. Thank you.
Thank you, Madhav. We are pleased to announce the network leaders for our chapter for the month of February 2021. For the maximum number of referrals, it's Suman Gupta with 36 referrals. For the maximum business given, myself for the business of rupees 1,33,78,532 only. For the maximum number of visitors, it's Ranki Mundra with 4 visitors. Thank you for the fantastic contribution you made last month. Members, let's applaud all the networker leaders for the month of February 2021 for their contribution.